Hi everybody, and thank you for watching this little video. It's a very short one, and it's just a little shout out to everybody to say thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching the videos and for all your kind comments and messages over the last 26 days. I'm filming this just now because of a question that some of you have asked me. I started these workshops to hold myself to account, really. I knew that I wanted to do even a little bit of writing each day during the COVID-19 lockdown, during the quarantine. And I knew probably that if I were helping others, then I would be much more likely to write as well for myself. So that's why I started them up in part. People have asked me how I fund the writing workshops, the mini workshops. I don't. I do them completely for free, and that's very important to me that I do them for free. I'm here anyway, and it's about giving myself that time and helping to provide that time for others too, for yourself and for myself too. Some of you have offered to donate to Figment as a thank you for preparing and providing the workshop videos. That's really kind of you. And of course, I heartily encourage that we value the skills of writers and artists and facilitators. But the time and energy that I spend preparing and doing the Wellspring 6-minute writing videos, it's paid back in dividends by the kindness and support of those of you who send me these messages and write the comments on the Wellspring videos. I get so much from posting them and knowing that they're helping people. By the end of this third week, I've reached thousands of people around the world, which is an amazing thing considering that I started these off for just a very small group of writing friends. What I would maybe ask is, if you do find the advice useful in the videos, then you might want to have a look at Wellspring and Magpie Mind, maybe order a copy on Kindle and on Audible. Just as of this morning, they're now available on Audible and on Kindle. And for the next 5 days, starting tomorrow, to celebrate that, I've made Wellspring free to everybody on Kindle until Wednesday. So go out there, and if you enjoy what I provide in the mini workshops, it's all in there in Wellspring and in Magpie Mind and in more depth as well. So if you enjoy these, then I know you'll enjoy the books too. If you wanted to take a couple of minutes as well to review the books on Wellspring Magpie Mind on Audible or Kindle or on Facebook, anything that I do here, then please, I'd be incredibly grateful. I would much rather you do that than anything else. But I think I've popped the links into the description of this video as well. But if you do still feel strongly about contributing to the work that I do, then you're free to do so, of course, on the Figment website. That's figmentcreativity.com. I've put a little thing in there for if you look at the 6-minute writing page on the website. It would be very kind of you, but it's definitely not expected. I will continue to provide the mini workshops each morning for free for as long as I possibly can. So yeah, that was just a quick thank you video that I wanted to say, just to say thanks to all of you for your kindness. And you guys are the reason that I go to bed early each night so that I can get up early each morning and provide these videos for you. So thank you for being here too. All the best, guys. Take care of yourselves and happy writing. Let me know how it goes.